Hi, my name is Shantanu. We can start with the interview.
Sure, Shantanu. Let's start with a few questions that relate to the core responsibilities of the AWS DevOps engineer role at Analytics Solutions Private Limited. To begin, can you discuss a specific project where you implemented infrastructure as code IAC using Terraform and the benefits it brought to the project?
Yeah, for sure. So I have been working with the TCS from past 3.5 years. Within this, I used Terraform in my two projects, which is JLR and Barclays. So
Could you could you elaborate on the specific benefits that using Terraform brought to those projects, such as improvements in efficiency, consistency, or scalability?
Yeah, sure. So I have implemented Terraform in the forms of modules. So I have identified the usable components in the code and just form the modularization form. And also, I have deployed in the form of clusters. Like I have deployed the multiple applications using Terraform and the clusters. So which has decrease the total downtime and total manual efforts by 40% in my current organization.
That's impressive, Shantanu. Reducing downtime and manual effort by 40% is significant. Could you also share how you ensured the security and compliance of the infrastructure while using Terraform in these projects?
Yeah, sure. So, in this project using Terraform, so there are many aspects in the form of security. So, by using the security, it is comes to state management. So, I have managed the state and store it in the remote location, which is S3, and lock it with the DynamoDB. So, yeah, so that is one rule. Then I have used the IAM for the role based access control. Then security scanning and compliance, I have integrated SaaS tools like SonarCube and Trivi itself. Then secrets manager on the AWS side. So this I used.
That's a well rounded approach to security and compliance. Managing state with S3 and DynamoDB, implementing IAM for access control, and integrating security scanning tools and secrets manager are all crucial for maintaining a secure infrastructure. Given your experience, how have you approached monitoring and optimizing application performance and availability in your previous roles?
Okay, so
Could you share a specific instance where you use monitoring tools like Prometheus or Grafana to identify and resolve a performance issue in your applications?
yeah, so I have used monitoring and optimization of the application performance and availability. Is the critical thing I can say to maintain the application, make it highly available and reliable. So for that one, I have used application and infrastructure monitoring. I have used Prometheus and Grafana as well. So in the form of Prometheus, I deployed the Prometheus exporters, then configured the Grafana dashboards, set up the alerting rules for the CPU usage and everything. So ELK stack and Kibana also I used.
It sounds like you had a strong background in monitoring and performance optimization. Using Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring and the ELK stack for logging and visualization provides a comprehensive approach to maintaining application health and availability. Could you describe a situation where your monitoring setup helped you proactively identify and mitigate a performance issue before it impacted users?
Okay. Yes. So, one notable incident where my monitoring setup helped me proactively identify and resolve the critical issue was during my work with the microservices based e-commerce platform, which is deployed to the e-case. Let me explain the incident scenario. Like the incident was unexpected latency and spike in the high error rates. So the scenario was platform experiencing the high latency and 500 error during the peak traffics. So user reported the slow checkout processing and intermediate timeouts. So I have monitored that using Prometheus alerts. So I got the response time of P99 increase. So HTTP 500 errors I have seen in the Prometheus and Grafana dashboards. So I have resolved that using the database optimization, index high query tables, and speed up the operations. So yeah.
It sounds like you handled a challenging situation effectively by leveraging your monitoring tools to identify the root cause and then optimizing the database to resolve the issue. This proactive approach not only improved the performance, but also enhanced the user experience during peak traffic times. How do you usually ensure continuous monitoring and timely incident response within your team?
Okay, so ensuring the continuous monitoring and timely incident response with my team has been always a priority. I followed the proactive, automated, and structured approach to minimizing the downtime, improve the mean time to resolve, and enhance the system reliability. So there is multi-layered monitoring for the infrastructure monitoring, such as Prometheus. So I have set up the dashboard to monitor the CPU, memory, and disk uses, and the network traffic as well. And for the security and compliances thing, so I configured the AWS guard duty to detect the suspicious activity as well, and also proactively alerting and automated incident response, I can say.
It sounds like you have a comprehensive and proactive approach to monitoring, security, and incident response. Setting up multi layered monitoring with Prometheus, ensuring security compliance using AWS Guard Duty, and automating incident response are all crucial practices. How do you ensure your team staying updated and well versed with the latest best practices in DevOps and cloud security?
um, Okay, so ensuring my team stays updated and well was in the AWS security compliance, including tools like the IAM and WAF is critical. I followed the structured approach that includes the continuous learning, hands-on training, then security best practices and proactive compliances. So the regular security workshops and hands-on labs conduct. I used to conduct the monthly security training session on the AWS side for the best practices. Then also to support the team members in earning the AWS badge, I have helped them. So and simulated security breaches using, yeah, that's it, that what I use.
It sounds like you're deeply committed to continuous learning and practical training, which is excellent for maintaining high standards of security and compliance within your team. Conducting regular security workshops, supporting AWS certifications, and simulating security breaches are all proactive strategies to ensure the team is well prepared. Thank you for sharing these insights, Shantanu. It was
Thank you.
You're welcome, Shantanu. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Good luck with the rest of your interview process.
Yeah, thank you. I don't have any questions. Good day.
You're welcome. If anything comes up later, feel free to reach out. Have a great day and best of luck.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Can I end this call?
Yes, absolutely. Have a great day.
Yeah, thank you.
Take care.